We'll guide you through how to make Linux full screen in VirtualBox. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start your Ubuntu virtual machine and log into your desktop environment. Once you're on your main screen, press the Ctrl, Alt, and T keys at the exact same time to open up a new terminal window. You need to make sure your system has the latest software lists, so run a command with super user privileges to update your system's package list. The terminal will prompt you for authentication, so type in your user password and press enter. With the list updated, run another super user command to install a few required packages, specifically the build essential, DKMS, and generic Linux headers, making sure to include the flag that automatically says yes to any confirmation prompts. Now, move your mouse cursor up to the main VirtualBox application menu at the top of your screen and click on Devices. From the drop-down list that appears, select the option to insert the Guest Editions CD image. Open your file manager and navigate into that newly mounted VirtualBox Guest Editions directory. Right-click anywhere in the empty white space inside that folder window and select the option to open a terminal. In this new terminal window, execute the VirtualBox Linux Editions run script with super user privileges to begin the installation process. Allow the script to run completely until it finishes copying the driver files. Once that is complete, simply type the reboot command into your terminal and press enter to safely restart your Ubuntu operating system. After your virtual machine finishes rebooting and you log back into your desktop, navigate your cursor back up to the top window menu, select the View option, and click to enable the setting to auto-resize the guest display. Finally, press your designated host key along with the F key on your keyboard to expand your virtual machine into full screen mode.